show-offs, I swear, but I love my job. MJ. I like it. I see you, Jay. Yeah, see, Jay is from the surf capital of the world, California. And you can take the boy from the surf, but you can't take the surf from the boy. Make some noise for ladies and gentlemen. That boy is good. And Mike or Warren doesn't matter. You guys put your hands together, make